Hello family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Eat Dividend Passport Bro, back with another video, guys. Today is a beautiful day, December 28, 2024. The year is almost over. We have a few more days left in the year for us to get to 2025. We already got our 2025 goal set, okay guys? And you guys know there's one thing I love, and that's cash coming back to me that I've already done all the work for, and I just have to relax and chill. So you guys know today is our weekend review video where we look at our dividends and all the stuff that came in. Now, some of the dividends show up and some of the dividends haven't show up, but I'm using the tracker and to get all the numbers together. So we're just gonna kind of go through it. And before we start all of that, I'd just like to say thanks to all of the amazing subscribers that we have on this channel. Guys, I appreciate all the love, all of the support as I grow this channel to be one of the best dividend channel, okay, on the planet, on this here YouTube. Now, you guys know we don't only just talk about high yield, extreme high yield, crazy yield. We talk about investing safely also, and you just use these high yield to get you to the next level. Okay, guys? One more thing. This is not financial advice. Okay, guys, I'm just a 51-year-old guy who showed my channel, help motivate people to get to the next level and invest in your future. Because, guys, 2025 coming, a lot of stuff going to change in this government we got right now. And if you're not ready, you're going to be left on the roadside. You're going to be left out there begging. You're going to be out in the cold. So you better get it together. Okay, guys? So, all right, we got 1,940 plus subscribers, okay? Guys, we only need less than, well, I would say we need 60,000. 60,000. Yeah, that's the goal for next year, $6,000. But we need 60 subscribers, 60 more subscribers. Now, yesterday I was like, oh, we're not even gonna get close. But we got over 40 subscribers, if I'm not mistaken, at least over 20 subscribers we got just yesterday alone, right? If I'm doing my calculation correctly. And guys, this is amazing. You guys don't know how much I appreciate the support, the love, all the questions. Guys, if I haven't answered your questions, of course, I'm gonna do that once I get this video done. Okay, guys? So without further ado, let's get down to business, because this is what we're here for, to do business, because business is booming. So I'm just gonna show y'all, because all of the stuff that didn't come in. I only got two dividend actually show up right now. Okay, these NEO's S&P 500 ETFs. Okay, you guys can see I got 62 cents here, and I'm going to show you guys this in the tracker later on, so you guys can know what's going on. But I just wanted to show that. Okay, and then if we go in here, these are from this is from the previous week. Okay, so we're not looking at that. We're looking at this right here. This is from the 26th. Okay. So this came in and it's already been reinvested, 29.26. You guys is not gonna see that. Well, you're gonna see the overall calculation, because I don't have this to show up in the other tracker like I want to. I'm gonna add this to the other tracker, because the other tracker allowed me to. I can add the similar to the other one that I'm using right now. Snowball can allow me to separate, and I can go deeper into the different positions. Guys, like I said, Snowball is in the tracking, in the portfolio, in the description of this video. So if you want to buy Snowball, you can buy it. It's pretty good, right? It took me a minute to get a hang of it. I'm still learning a lot. There's so many things in this tracker, so I'm still learning a lot from this tracker. Right now, if we go into Robinhood, if we look at the Robinhood portfolio right now, Robinhood is generating about $8,000 a month, right? So that's pretty good. That's pretty amazing. And on a daily basis, right? Every day, right? 7 days a week, it generates about $270.99 per day. All right. We still got about 1,000 something that's coming in, okay, this week. And this is the dividend we're going to calculate for what we haven't received yet, okay? of this $8,000 for the month. So if we go down, all the way down, let me make sure I don't miss nothing, right? This is December. The first week, second week, third week, and this is the week we're looking at, right? Because this week, a lot of the dividend get paid in the following week. So if you look at the amount, right? If you look at the amount for the dividend, it's like $1,580 there, and then the two dividend that I show you guys, the $62 and the 104. As you can see, these are purple. That means we already received them. Okay, that's why they're purple, right? We got those. But you saw them in other stuff. Now in Nvidia, we got zero dividend coming in from Nvidia, even though it shows up in this list. And these the other ones. These are my extreme high yield. So if we calculate all of the dividends that we receive from Robinhood, we receive about $1,581 in dividend from Robinhood this week. Okay, because next week dividends we're going to receive for next month, right? This dividend should be paid Friday. I got it in the other portfolio. I receive it in my Fidelity portfolio, but I don't know why I didn't receive it in other ones. Okay, but this is the dividend we're gonna get for this guy. All right, so I'm just gonna flip this out, and then we're going to Fidelity. Okay, and we're gonna be in the same place, and we're gonna go downward, down to this right here. And as you can see, we got different. I got a lot of positions. That's why I say I don't do this. I don't calculate these dividend like for each dividend. It's a lot to be calculating. But if we look at it, right? So on the 31st, which is the last day of the month, I'm gonna get $317.99. Monday, I'm gonna get a $510, right? And then tomorrow this should show up $8.50. And then the week I got another $38.01, $31.71, $29.81, $5.24 from VYM. These the one you see I got a purple, those have already been received. Some of the other ones that still haven't dropped into the portfolio yet. And then we have a BlackRock, and you can see we got another $71.12. Okay, so these are the stuff we got coming into the portfolio. So if we look at the portfolio for Fidelity, we got about $4,000 plus coming into Fidelity. I already showed you guys the chart swap. So the calculation for chart swap, when we do our Tesla and what was the other one? Ybit, and we get about $3,353.58 in dividend. Also from M1, we got about $8.31 this week from M1. And if we do the tally, so let me get my calculator. Now, keep in mind that $6,000 from the previous month, that wasn't added here because it came up, even though it came, what the thing is always not moving. All right, it's in the other month, November. So, why is it over there? November, man, come on, man, quit playing with me. Move out of the way, November. And what did I do? I did something wrong because I'm not seeing. Oh, I'm going backwards, and that's something. All right, I only did the first 2 weeks, but the last week. So most of this dividend that was supposed to come in, came in the previous week. So I didn't calculate that into December, even though those dividends shows up in December. So my tracker calculated them for December. This last 6,500 was calculated for December, especially the larger dividend. Okay, so we're not adding this into this December amount. Okay, guys, I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Hope that makes sense to y'all. I don't want anybody saying, but Edwin, why blah 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 blah. I don't want to hear that. Okay, so let me bring the calculator over so we can do a total of the amount. Okay, so we got first week. You know what? Let me do this. Make it smaller. All right, and then I can just do this so I can just write it down. Okay, guys. So first week we got 1,368.98 plus first week, right? December second week. We got 6,718.40 plus. And then the third week, which is the week we got a lot of our income, we got 12,121.19 plus. And then we got this week, we got 8,954.72, 29,000, right? So if we add the 6,000 to the amount, right? It's gonna be right at 35,000. I don't know why, you know, my other tracker here, I don't know why it did that flip with the income shot up to 40 grand. So it's about 5,000 short. So maybe I'm doing my calculation wrong somewhere that shows that money. Okay. But right now, from all my calculation, subtracting that 6,000 something from there, you know, we still at 35K. That is dropping into that account, okay, for the month. So I think that's pretty good for the month. And then next month, estimated income for next month is 35,000. And like I say, that's pretty good, guys. You got to understand, I use this tracker because I don't want to be calculating this stuff. And, you know, this channel is to motivate you guys. That's why I do this. And, you know, you show me love by subscribing to the channel, by leaving comments to let me know that you're watching the channel and that you're getting, you know, everything that I'm trying to share with you guys. So, you know, even if you're just generating $10, generating $15, whatever, you know, take this small portfolio for example. You know, you can just do that, right? You can just say, this is me and me building my portfolio, right? You can use a mixture of high yield. And I mean, I won't really use, if I'm investing in high yield dividend, I only use M1 because this portfolio is very small. But if this is my primary portfolio, I would not use M1 to invest in extreme high yield funds because you can do pre-market. There's no, you know, X in an hour. Unit buying one time a day. Maybe if you get the premium package, you buy 2 times a day. It's not the best place to invest in these extreme high yield. I want to do it because it's something to talk about in the portfolio. If some people might like the platform, I used to like the platform. I don't like it anymore. And we're going to be transitioning out of here pretty soon. I've been going back and forth with the idea of moving my portfolio from one brokerage to the next, and you know, I think I figured out what I'm gonna do. But once it happened, and you guys gonna get to see that. Fidelity, I've been with Fidelity for the longest. I love my Fidelity brokerage. But you know, they got their own issues that don't allow me to show my portfolio the way that I would like to share with you guys. So that's why I use the other tracker, Snowball, which have been pretty amazing this far. And I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna try to add chart swap into Snowball, and if it works out, I've been having some issues with that. Whenever I try to add it, if it works out, that would be great. That way, I can have all of the portfolios in the tree tracker, and I can look at them together, and share information with you guys, right? So, guys, like I said, this is not financial advice. Like and share the content. We're about 60 more subscribers before we get to 2,000 subscribers. I think the income went up based on what came in a little bit from yesterday. Let me see. No, that's not the wrong. That's the wrong one. Yeah, I think that's the wrong one. But I think the income went up slightly. I think yesterday it was at 397,286. So right now it's at 290. So the portfolio went up by $4 in income, okay, annually. Now, you guys say, oh, it's just $4. Well, when you calculate that $4 over a 10-year period plus growth, it increased this number over here, right? Now, next week, it's going to be a very short week to the end of 2024. We're definitely going to hit the $400,000 mark, depending on how the market goes. Once the fund shows up into the account, and if we get another red day, you guys know exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be buying. I'm going to be spending the money that we have in the portfolio to date DCA, daily cost average, right? Into my portfolio to bring down some of the reds that are in the portfolio, right? Also, you guys, I talk about this all the time with y'all, right? I'm trying to get the portfolio to 60,000 in monthly income. That is a big goal. I have set the tool in here. Let me see if I did it right. Holding, and then goals, right? I set the goal. Come on, goals. So this is Robinhood, right? So for me to get to that $20 a month in income, I will pretty much have to double what I have in Robinhood to get to $20 a month in Robinhood. And then, no, that's Fidelity, right? That's Fidelity. Let me see. No, this is Fidelity. Sorry, guys. This is my Fidelity, right? So I would need to increase the income in Fidelity to about 240,000 annual, 240K annual in Fidelity to get to $20,000 a month, right? I'm not far away from that. So, like I said, Fidelity is going to be the easiest one to increase the number without adding a lot of money because I can just sell. Robinhood, to increase their portfolio to $20,000 a month. Of course, right now we got about 120 some thousand, including margin in the portfolio. So, these are landmark, and they tell you, okay, you can get there, the portfolio there in 2026, right? Or you can do the safer scenario in 2028, right? To 130K. But you guys know how we do, right? We're trying to do things, and I'm setting these goals now in each of these portfolio, because as we continue to grow, we're going to continue to set new goals, right? That's pretty much it, y'all. So have a blessed day. invest in yourself, right? Continue to invest and continue to grow, and don't be discouraged, right? Because on days like what we've been having when the market is down, it's the time for you to make your millions. Okay, you know, it's time for you to make your millions. You know, I have people sending me messages, notes, about thanking me for all these different things that I'm doing to help you guys. And you guys, believe it or not, right? You guys are helping me because you make me pay more attention to my portfolio than I would normally do because I'm making these videos. And some of the comments make me go back and check things to make sure I'm on the right track. And, within the very short period of time, right, I have created almost 200 videos on this channel. And we are going to do 200 videos on this channel before the end of the year. Now, I had a couple of videos on this channel, but I'm going to create almost 200 videos on this channel within less than 6 months, right? Because I create a video every day, and then also I post shorts of some of the things that I think is good. So guys, look at the shorts too. Don't just look at the long form content. I got shorts on the channel, so check out the shorts and leave your comments. Continue to do what you do. Okay, guys, I love you guys. Stay blessed. And tomorrow, we're gonna talk about something. I don't know what we're gonna talk about yet, but maybe from some of the comments that we got today, want to help us come up with a topic for tomorrow, and then we'll go from there. Have a blessed day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.